In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match supplier refund to supplier credit in QuickBooks. Here's the plan. We'll create a supplier or vendor credit, record the bank refund you received, and then link the two so your books stay accurate and clean. This process makes sure the refund you see in your bank matches the credit on the supplier's account and everything nets to zero as it should. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the area where you create transactions. Choose Vendor Credit. Select the supplier who issued the refund. Enter the date of the credit and the exact details of what was returned or credited. Use the same categories or items you used on the original bill, so the accounting stays consistent. Add a clear memo like refund for returned goods and double-check the total amount. Next, record the money that actually came back to your bank. Go to Bank Deposit. At the top, select the bank account where you received the refund and set the deposit date to match your bank statement if possible. This helps with reconciliation later. In the deposit form, look for the section where you can add lines to the deposit. Choose the supplier in the Received From field, and for the account, select Accounts Payable. That part is important. It tells QuickBooks that this deposit relates to a supplier, which lets us link it to the supplier credit. Enter the refund amount, add a memo or reference number if you have one, and review the payment method. Save the deposit when you're done. Now it's time to tie the deposit to the supplier credit. Go to Pay Bills. Even though we're not paying anything out, this is where QuickBooks lets you apply the deposit against the supplier credit. Filter by the same bank account and date if needed, then select the supplier. You should see the supplier credit and the deposit listed. Check both so they apply to each other. The amount to pay should show zero once they're matched, which is exactly what we want. Before saving, take a moment to confirm the amounts match, the dates are reasonable, and your memo notes make sense for future reference. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The supplier credit is linked to the refund deposit, your supplier balance is updated, and your bank records reflect the refund correctly. If something doesn't appear in pay bills, revisit the deposit and make sure the account used was accounts payable and that the supplier was selected correctly. With these steps, your refund and credit will align perfectly in QuickBooks, keeping your records accurate and easy to reconcile.